Vitamins are essential organic compounds that our bodies require in small amounts to maintain normal physiological functions. They play crucial roles in various bodily processes, including metabolism, growth, development, and overall health. Here are some reasons highlighting the importance of vitamins. Overall health maintenance. Vitamins are vital for the proper functioning of the body. They are involved in energy production, immune system support, DNA synthesis, hormone regulation, and the maintenance of healthy cells, tissues, and organs. Nutrient absorption. Some vitamins, such as vitamin D, play a significant role in the absorption and utilization of essential nutrients like calcium and phosphorus. Without sufficient vitamins, the body may struggle to absorb and utilize these nutrients effectively. Disease prevention. Vitamins, particularly antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can lead to oxidative stress and contribute to various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and age-related macular degeneration. Growth and development. During periods of rapid growth, such as childhood, adolescence, and pregnancy, vitamins are crucial for proper development. For example, vitamin D and calcium are essential for strong bones and teeth, while folate, a B vitamin, is crucial for fetal development. Energy production. B vitamins, including thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, pantothenic acid, B5, pyridoxine, B6, biotin, B7, and cobalamin, B12, play vital roles in converting food into energy. They are involved in various metabolic processes, including the breakdown of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Brain function. Several vitamins contribute to proper brain function. For instance, vitamin E has antioxidant properties that protect brain cells, while B vitamins, especially thiamine, niacin, folate, and vitamin B12, are involved in cognitive function and the production of neurotransmitters. Skin and hair health. Certain vitamins, such as vitamins A, C, E, and biotin, B7, are essential for maintaining healthy skin, promoting wound healing, and supporting the growth of strong and shiny hair. Reducing the risk of deficiencies. Consuming a balanced diet rich in vitamins helps prevent deficiencies that can lead to specific diseases or health issues. For example, vitamin C deficiency can cause scurvy, vitamin D deficiency can lead to rickets, and vitamin B12 deficiency can cause anemia and neurological problems. It's important to note that while vitamins are necessary for good health, they should be obtained primarily through a balanced diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and other nutrient-dense foods. In some cases, when dietary intake is insufficient, dietary supplements may be recommended under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe.